All right, so one correction. It turns out that 17 squared is actually 289 instead of 189. So when you add that to 36, you get 325. I thought it was 225, which was perfect because that's a perfect square. 325 is not a perfect square. So that means that this side here is the square root of 325. We could approximate what that is. But we're just going to leave it as this exactly rather than turn it into like some sort of decimal number. And so what that means is that when I go and look at here, I'm going to have to correct, this is not 15 anymore. Instead, this is the square root of 325. So when I do my calculations, I'm going to get the square root of 325 squared, which is exactly 325. And I think the rest of my calculations are going to be right. So I'm going to end up getting the same answer, ultimately, that it's not a right triangle, but this will be actually 450, which is not equal to 400 either. So the final conclusion is that it is not a right triangle, because that was what was asked up here. The question was, do they form a right triangle? And so the answer is no, but for a different reason than I had initially said. So sorry about that mistake, and thank you to the student who caught it. And I'll stop recording.